In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a p-hat symbol in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a math assignment, preparing statistical reports, or just exploring the wonders of Google Docs for your academic endeavors, knowing how to insert this unique symbol can be incredibly handy. The process is surprisingly quick and easy, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's make sure we're starting with a fresh canvas. Open up your Google Doc. Once you have your document ready to go, move your attention to the top menu bar where all the magic starts. You're going to click on the View option. This drop-down menu provides various choices that can alter the appearance and functionality of your document view. Now, one of those choices is Show Equation toolbar. Click on that, and you'll see a new toolbar pop up right below your main formatting options. This toolbar is key for anyone working with mathematical symbols in Google Docs because it equips you with tools designed specifically for equations and formulas. Next, with your new toolbar ready, locate the New Equation button. Give it a click and you'll notice a blue box materialize within your document. This blue box is your workspace for any equations you want to insert. It's a powerful feature, and today we're harnessing it for the p-hat symbol. Now comes the simplest step. Once you have your blue box, position your cursor inside it and type the following sequence. Begin with P, and immediately after, type the backslash and the word hat together as p+hat. Here lies the smart functionality of Google Docs. It will instantly convert your typed text into the p-hat symbol, which looks like a lowercase p with a small hat or caret symbol directly on top. This dynamic change means you don't have to jump through hoops or search for complex character maps. As you can see, inserting a p-hat symbol in Google Docs is truly just a matter of a few clicks and keystrokes. This shortcut can save you a lot of time, especially if you're frequently required to include statistical notation in your work. So there you have it. A straightforward method to add that special p-hat to your documents. I hope this tutorial has made your life just a little bit easier, and now you're ready to tackle your equations with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy doc editing. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more of our content for other Google Docs tips and tricks.